Greetings! Welcome to part 2 of this series on age reversal. Meet your hormonal orchestra. Here's something most people don't understand. Your hormones aren't solo performers. They're an orchestra. And like any orchestra, if one section is out of tune, the whole symphony sounds awful. If we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Dr. Max McLeod, also known as the Nutrition Ninja Doc, founder of MyBodySymphony.com and the STEM Region/Age Reversal Technology Center, ARTC.Health. He is a problem solver with a focus on helping people overcome their health challenges and achieve their health, performance, and appearance goals. He is using this avatar to save time making videos that can be better spent helping people. My role as his avatar is to convey his knowledge and insights about health, healing, and regeneration. Please note that I'm an avatar of a doctor, and none of the information I convey should be considered medical advice. It is intended for educational and entertainment purposes only. Consult your trusted healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your health regimen. Doc Max also provides individual supervision, in person or virtual. Contact us at 9418-065-511 to learn more. Now let's get back to today's topic. Before that, I ask that you leave a like on this video if you find it helpful. And if you haven't already done so, please hit that subscribe button because it goes a long way to help get these health-related presentations out to more people. The conductor, thyroid hormones. Your thyroid is the metabolic maestro. It sets the tempo for virtually every cell in your body. When your thyroid hormones are optimal, your metabolism hums along. You burn fat efficiently. You think clearly. You have steady energy throughout the day. When they're low, everything slows down. You gain weight. You're cold all the time. Your brain feels foggy. Your hair thins. Your skin dries out. And here's the kicker. Standard medical tests often miss thyroid dysfunction because they only check and rely on TSH levels, which are not a reliable indicator as they don't give the full picture. It's like judging an orchestra by only listening to the conductor tap the podium. Ladies, don't skip this part. Testosterone isn't just for men. Yes, men need it for muscle mass, bone density, energy, mood, and sexual function. When testosterone crashes, men become shadows of themselves, tired, weak, irritable, and disinterested in life. But women need testosterone too. It's essential for energy, mental clarity, muscle tone, bone health, and yes, libido. When women's testosterone tanks, which happens naturally after menopause, many experience profound fatigue and loss of vitality that estrogen alone can't fix. Here's a little-known fact about testosterone in women. A woman actually produces more testosterone than estrogen in a lifetime. For women, estrogen and progesterone create the rhythm of life, literally governing your monthly cycles for decades. But they do so much more than that. Estrogen protects your brain, your bones, your heart, and your skin. Progesterone calms your nervous system, helps you sleep, and balances estrogen's effects. When these hormones decline, especially during perimenopause and menopause, women often experience hot flashes and night sweats, anxiety and mood swings, brain fog and memory problems, weight gain, especially around the middle, thinning skin and hair, loss of bone density. And here's what breaks my heart. Millions of women are told this is just menopause and they should tough it out. That's like telling someone with a broken leg to just walk it off. Finally, the FDA has eliminated its black box warning on hormones. They admit that they misinterpreted the data 20 years ago and that supporting healthy youthful estrogen, progesterone, and testosterone levels is extremely beneficial. Growth hormone is your body's master rebuilder. When you're young, it repairs damaged tissue, builds muscle, burns fat, strengthens bones, and keeps your skin thick and elastic. But here's the cruel joke. Growth hormone production peaks in your teens and 20s, then drops by about 14% every decade after that. By the time you're 60, you're producing a fraction of what you made at 25. This is why older people lose muscle more easily, gain fat more readily, heal more slowly, and see their skin thin and wrinkle. These are the mother hormones, the raw materials your body uses to manufacture testosterone, estrogen, and other crucial hormones. When they decline, your body loses the building blocks it needs to maintain hormonal balance. That concludes part 2 of this series. Feel free to reach out to us for more information on how we can assist you in balancing your hormones. Call 941-806-5511.